senior technology analyst over at Bloomberg Intelligence. Anurag, what jumped out at you?
Oh, everything. I think they beat across the board, and we were expecting things to go downwards and them to be missing it, but it looks like they performed far better than almost all the segments. Now, having said that, broad-based beat, but the guidance is all that matters, because that's where we find out how the cloud is going to be in the next quarter and the quarter after that. I think this is where it's most important at this point.
I know we've talked to you before here about some of the AI initiatives, the costs associated with that, and at the same time, the opportunities that could potentially pay off for them down the road here. Are you confident so far in what you've heard?
Yes, I think the margin story is actually better, far better than what we were modeling, or even the street was modeling, both on the gross margin side and then on the operating margin side. So that's very good, which means that the increased cost of computing because of new AI applications, at least what they have launched so far, is not eating away from the profit. In terms of growth, I think it's going to take a few quarters before we see growth coming in.
Okay, quick question here on Microsoft before we get to Chipotle numbers, which just got released. It's providing the guidance on the earnings call. They know that this is what everyone cares about. What does that signal to you? Because normally that would just kind of get rolled out with all the numbers for the quarter that just ended. Does it require more nuance and explanation?
Microsoft has a history of doing things a certain way. They've always done it that way. I was not expecting them to change it. They will not, they'll not make any difference out of it.
Okay.